Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get right into it. So this is basically not going to be like a tutorial or anything like that. I'ma just be, kind of talking to you guys and everything. This particular day I did not feel like talking. I got some bad news this morning, so I was just like, you know what, the show don't stop, but at the same time it's just like I'm not really gonna be like my 100% self to like do like an intro and outro and everything like that, so that's why I did not have it in this video. But yeah, so I'm just going in with those shades, blending them together, and yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it, to be honest. Y'all gonna see me like throughout the video kind of like laughing and stuff like that. That's because I was on the phone with my friend and her mom, just kikiing, so don't mind that. But yeah, y'all, I'm just blending these colors together. This is gonna be kind of like short and simple. It's not gonna be anything like too in depth or anything like that. Like, the look is really basic. It's basic as hell, and I wanted to put out this look because the next look that I'm going to be posting, which is already filmed and everything, I just have to edit the video. But yeah, that look is more of a colorful kind of look, so I did want to give you guys another look that's a lot more subtle and everything. I don't even know if you guys would literally even consider the last look that I did wearable, but the tones are a lot more neutral as well than this one that I'm about to be posting. So yeah, you guys, I really wanted to just provide y'all with something a lot more neutral before I go like all in, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't really care for the browns and stuff anymore, y'all. Like, I just feel like you can get creative with neutral shades, of course, but I don't know. I love rainbow shades. That's just my thing, like real colorful shades. So yeah, I will try to get more creative with the neutral looks and everything, but at the same time I still want to put out stuff that's wearable for you guys as well, because not everybody is gonna have like the same taste. Not everybody is all flamboyant and just extra like me. So yeah, I just wanted to provide y'all with that right quick. And yes, y'all, it's funny how I said that this is going to be kind of like quick, but this is a full face tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys my full face routine. I'm not going to get in depth with it because I do have a video of me getting like really in depth and everything with how I like to apply my base makeup, like my different techniques and stuff that I use and everything. So if you're interested in how I like really do my base makeup, then I suggest you go to that video. I'll go ahead and put it right there. Look at it, look, boop, there it go. So yes, y'all, I'm gonna just be applying this foundation. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Oh my gosh, I really like the e.l.f. foundation. Like, I know that this foundation isn't new or anything like that, but it is new to me. And I feel like I used it once before, but I just couldn't remember how it was. But when I was like trying to decide what foundation I was going to use for this look, I picked this foundation because I just had a feeling that I did like it. I just, have other foundations that I need to wear. So I was just like, let me switch it up. But I was like, let me just see what this foundation is hitting on. And I am in love with it. Like, oh my gosh, it's literally amazing. And I know I'm like pretty late with telling you guys this, but that white dot that you seen on the side of my face, that was pimple cream. Okay, it sure was. Because yeah, it's almost that time of the month and Mother Nature just stay trying to play with me. So yeah, that was the reason why I had that white dot on my face. But yeah, y'all, let's get into these concealers as well. I'm just noticing that I didn't use like a full face of e.l.f. or anything, but I use quite a few face products from e.l.f. So these two concealers, one is a matte and one is a hydrating one, and them together is literally everything. So yeah, that's why one had a black top and the other had the white one. So yeah, all the products that I use and everything will be in the description box below. I know I have it on the screen as well, but it'll be down below. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, after I applied all of my lip products, I went ahead and did my lower lash line off of camera, and I went in with my Lash Sensational and applied some bottom lashes. And well, not some bottom lashes, I'm talking about like my own bottom lashes. But yes, you guys, after that is pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know this is pretty quick, but I mean, look at the look. I mean, it's pretty simple. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. That way y'all are notified every single time that I upload. I have so much more videos coming. So yeah, just make sure that y'all do that, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.